Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to do a quick yoga stretching session, and you can use this as a cool down or a stretching warm up, or just do it by itself. That's up to you. And for this you will need a mat or a soft surface. If you don't have a mat at home, you can always use a carpet. So we're going to get started and on the mat. So the first exercise, we're going to lie on our stomach, arms next to the shoulders, elbows tucked in, and we're just going to lift and hold. Slowly come on down. Again, we're going to do the same thing. Lift. You should feel this in your abdomen and your lower back and your upper back as well. And again, come on down. From here, we're going to get into all fours and we're going to do cat-cow. So, arch your back and then stretch. Again. Again. Now we're going to come into child's pose. You can keep your arms in front or take them back. Come on up. From here, we're going to take our right leg forward and tuck it in between our hands. You can stay here or come on up and feel the stretch in your left leg and even in your right leg. Just hold. Come on down and lift up your leg. Knee back down. We're going to shift our right hand to the side, lift up in our torso, and then the left hand comes to the right side. Stretch. Feel the stretch in your legs get deeper. Come on down. We're going to change legs. So take your left leg, right leg back. Left leg comes forward. In between your hands. Hold here or come on up. Hold. Hold. Sink deeper into the stretch. Alright. Hands back down. Leg goes up. Hold here. Come on down. Lift your torso up. Left hand down. Right hand goes up. Feel the stretch. Come on back down. We're going to get back into this position. Rest here for a moment. And now we're going to take our right leg forward again. So this goes up this time. Open it to the side. Alright. Open it up. You can stay here and feel the stretch in your hips. This is a great hip opener. Or if you want more, come on down onto your elbows. You should feel this deep opening of the hips. Alright. Back up. Leg goes back. And bring your left leg forward, opening it up to the side. Again, Palms can stay here, or if you want more, come on down. These are great hip openers. Hold. Alright, come on up. Left leg goes back. And now we are going to go into another stretch. And this time, take your palms in front. Bend your right leg. Come on down. Try to push this area to the floor. Now you can stay here. You'll feel this in the outer thigh. You can stay here or come on down. Hold. Back up. Change legs. So right leg goes back. Left leg comes forward. Bend it down. And yeah, you can stay here. Or if you're very flexible, arms in front and you can come on down. Feel this in your outer hips, outer thigh, a deep stretch. Alright, back up and legs go back. Come on down to the mat and we're going to twist our knees to the side. So we'll bend our knees in half and let them fall to the right side. You can look towards the left and hold here. You should feel a deep stretch in your abdomen, in your waist and your back as well. Hold. Okay, back up. And now we're going to drop the knees to the left side. And this time look to the right. Back up. Grab your knees and bring them as close to your chest as you can. This will help ease the pressure on the lower back. Stretch it out. And you can stay here or you can rock from side to side very gently to open up the lower back even more. Massage the lower back. Alright. Now take your feet down and we're going to lift up the hips and hands go under the body. Grab your palms and hold here. Okay, come on down. We're going to come on up now and legs stay in front. We're going to try to get our chest to our knees and we're going to raise our hands. Come on down. Back up. Palms next to your hips and straighten out your back. Press your palms into the floor and straighten out the back. Alright. Now we are going to take our right foot and place it on the left knee. So your right foot is on the left knee. And now you can stay here if you're feeling the stretch in your outer hips, or if you want more, hands go up, bend forward. Slowly walk back up. Change legs. So now the left foot is on the right knee. and you can stay here, or hands go up, bend forward. Walk back. Alright, next is a deep hip opener. So left knee is on the floor, and then put your right knee on top of the left knee. So your knees are in one line, and you can stay here or lift your hands up, bend. Hold. Walk back. Same thing on the other leg. So right knee is on the floor, left knee is on top, one line, and hands go up, bend forward. Walk back. Now we are going to keep our palms together, our feet together, right? And we're going to just bend forward. Feel this, and then thighs out of hips. Hold. And walk back. Straighten out your legs again. Bend forward. Walk back. Palms to the side. Straighten it out. Now we're going to sit on our knees, and if you can, we are going to touch the toes. Stretch. Get out of the position. Come into a child's pose for one last time. And come on up. Now we are going to stand. From here, lift your hands up, and we're going to bend to the right side. Feel this in your waist. Hold. Back up to the left. Back up to the right. Up, left. On down. We're going to take a breath and exhale down. Grab your elbows, just hang here, or shake from side to side. Try to touch your palms to the floor. If you have the flexibility, bring your chest to your knees. Slowly roll on up. And that was our quick yoga session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in one of my other videos.